Hello, welcome to my channel. So we're not seeing anymore. We're not doing our homework. Welcome to my channel. So we're doing our homeworks. Okay. So we're not doing anything. We're not doing our homeworks. Maybe that is homework. See, we're going to go to there. Huh? I'm having a camera. That's the wrong way. No, my. Oh yeah. I like to see things. I like to see the world. Stop. Cut. Oh yeah. Cut. You cut it. Let me try again. Let's go. Mama. I'll come to that. Office.
As a mother of the brides. It's fine. Lolo indeed.
Already tired, not started.
Never started.
This is one thing I don't like about market. Is it coming to do, especially this Lagos market. They push me and push you, just exhaust you before you get to where you're going to.
Saturday itself is even worse. Very nice. So that made you away, go take the I try to. Auntie, let's start.
A velvet sequence.
Oh, give me. Get another boss.
Velvet sequence.
Even this one too. Something like this, now pink. Something like this, if our velvet sequence. Lace. Our budget time at that for maybe I have for only 4 years. I go for about 15.
Later.
So I thought to show you guys these men's wear that we made also for the owner of this same dress I'm working on. So yeah, these are for her son. So I thought to just add it up here. They're just so handsome. Like they're looking, I won't say pretty. Will I say pretty for men's clothes? Looking dope. According to Gen Z people. Looking dope. Anyway, so this is the jacket, the Ankara jacket. What's looking like. Let me see if I can take it back a little bit. But yeah, this is the jacket. It has a suede sleeve, and it has a lapel. It's also suede. And yeah, this is it has a pocket here, and it has a pocket down here as well, just like your regular suit. So this is an Ankara jacket, Ankara suit. And it also has the inner ones as well. This is really nice. The detailing as well is so nice. The suede also going on the inside with the inner pockets right there and here. And it has a button for the tux. Is it a tux, right? I think it's a tuxedo, right? These are the so tuxedos. Don't worry, you bush again. Yeah, and these are the pants. So the pants also has Ankara going on the sides. It has Ankara going on the pants on the side. So this is a classic pant with the welt pockets and all. And yeah, so you can see the Ankara goes on both sides. That's for the jacket. And then over here we have, oh, this hanger is wobbling. I mean, they didn't do this thing well. There's something wrong somewhere. And this is the, let's start with the top. This is the top. Let's put it over here because the top of the Ankara. So it's it has this Isiago design on the lower part as well, and the top side. Yeah, so just a simple men's native with the Isiago fabric here and on the bottom. And then these are the pants, just a regular pants with the same fabric as the native. It's so nice. And yeah, and one more cute thing about this one, it comes with the cap. This is just so nice, so nice. Yeah, so just in case you're wondering, I do menswear as well. Hit me up. Let's do this. This cap is so nice. It's so nice. Okay, so yeah, this comes with this outfit right here, and then yeah, the jacket comes with that. So that's it for now. I want to go ahead and pack up the orders for my client because I need to deliver it today. Today is Monday. I need to deliver it today so that I get to her and her sons on time. Guys, so this week I've just been very, very busy for me. As always, I'm always busy, but this week was just like extra busy because I was working on my bride's dresses. And yeah, I just didn't vlog at all this week. I only showed you, I'll probably have showed you guys when I went to the market, and that was the last time I vlogged. Like, I haven't vlogged again throughout the week. And that that market vlog was last week Saturday when I went with my sister. If you watched my vlog last week Sunday, you know that I was planning to go to the market with my sister to get fabrics for like the sisters of the groom. Okay, so sisters comprising of me, my sister, my cousins that are like, we're really close knitted, so we always like to wear the same fabric for whoever's wedding it is. We always wear the same fabric. Okay, but we're going to only be wearing it for the white wedding, so we just bought fabric for white wedding. Anyway, so my sister gave me these perfumes that she named after me and my husband. She gave me this one, Felice. Yeah, so she gave me this one, and yeah, it comes packed like this, packaged like this. And she also gave me the one that was named after the hubs, Maxo. Okay, so this is what the box of this one looks like. It's huge, like it's as big as my head. So this is the Maxo one, and then the back has the name again, Maxo, written on it. Yeah, I'm going to just unbox it and show you guys the content of this box in this vlog. Okay, so let's start with little old me. Little old Felice. Let's start with this one. I really like the packaging. Like, I love the colors. Like you see, I'm even wearing a pink. This is my 90 by the way. I just woke up not so long ago. Yeah, so I'm wearing, I like pink. Not like I would wear it for all the time. Like, I just like the color pink because it's feminine. I just like that color. I also love the fact that she mixed the packaging has both pink and, is it violet or purple? Yeah, so I love these two colors as well. But yeah, the box is just nice and cute. Let's unpack this one and see. As it's already smelling good from outside the box. It's already smelling good from outside the box. So yeah, so this is it out of the bubble wrap or nylon wrap, whatever that is, and then it opens up like this. Yep. Yeah, so right in here we have that cutie, and she secured it with this foam like thing here. That's nice actually. Makes sense, so that the bottle is not shaking around, or in process of delivering nothing happens to your perfume. So it's secure inside this foam. This is not a bubble wrap, but like this foam protection. So yeah, let's just go ahead and pull it out of the box. So just this nice cute little bottle. Let's see, how many ml is it? It's actually 30 ml. It's 30 ml, so hence the size. It smells so good. Like, I've not even opened it, and I can perceive the fragrance. It smells really, really good. Let's just spray this. I love. As in, it has this, I don't know how to like review perfumes, but this smells heavenly. Smells so girly, like so girly. I don't know if she wrote anything about this. Let's see. Okay, yeah, so it smells so good. I really like the scent. I'm very picky with my fragrances, and for me to like a fragrance, then you best believe that it's good. Okay. I'm very picky because I have I get fragrance sick, car sick, like anything that just pisses off my nose, my sense of smell, can make me just become sick and maybe start throwing up. But this one is just absolutely nice. Like, oh, that's the inside of the box, and then well thought out. It's also padded at the bottom, if you can see that. Okay, so yeah, this is me. It's so cute and small. Like, I even love the bottle as well. It has this like all the 3D design. But yeah, this is what the bottle looks like. It's really cute. An ombre bottle, pink and cute, just like myself. And it smells so good. Like, I really love the fragrance. I don't know how you guys are perfume people, you know all those notes, high notes, low, middle notes, low notes. All I know is when I like a fragrance, I like a fragrance. But this one, I really love it. So let's move on to the next perfume. So our Augusta are right here, and this one is 100 ml. Is it written on the bottle, on the packaging? 100 ml luxury perfume, Maxo luxury perfume, 100 ml. And yeah, so let's just open this up. As in, this is not a bad idea for your husband to buy as a gift. And I can't remember how much. Okay, I think this one is either 7.5 or 6.5. I can't remember how much. I'll check and leave it on the screen. And this one is I don't know, 15, I guess. So I'll confirm that and put it on the screen. Rush over to her website, www.adorablescents.com, to place your order. She sells other fragrances like home fragrances, diffusers, humidifiers, like in fact everything fragrance you get from her, scented candles and all. So yeah, Christmas is coming. Well, our houses have to smell, you know, good. Okay, so go get your home diffusers and humidifiers and the rest. So this is Maxo out of the bubble wrap, out of the nylon wrap. So yeah, it has this pulling thingy here. So this is a box, and then it pulls out this way like this. Isn't this just a lovely packaging? Like, this thing looks so good. This is how it pulls out. So like a bookshelf, or be a book, what they call you know, this thing reminds me of, you guys, do you know those cassettes when we're growing up, those cassettes where they come in their box? This is what this thing reminds me of, actually. So you pull out the CD, the tape out of the packaging. It reminds me of that. Yeah. And this is so nice. Like the bottle, like the bottle is just beautiful. Like the bottle is dope. If there's any other word to use, I don't know any other word to use, but the bottle is so masculine. Like, just take a look at that. Okay, the back is just plain matte black, and then we have this design going on here, which is so nice. Let's try the fragrance. Okay, so I already have Felice on this hand, so in fact I'm perceiving it all over my body. Maybe I mistakenly rubbed it all around, but let's see, where can I spray this? I don't know. Let's just open it and smell it out of the pack. Let's spray it in here. Nice. It has this smells like wood. I don't know, like I don't just know, but I don't know what is in this bottle, but it is mad. It is mad. Like, I really love this. Like, has this strong manly scent. Okay, really strong, like very strong. I usually love to use masculine perfumes sometimes, but I don't like the really strong ones, so that it's not like obvious that you're using a man's perfume. Okay, so I still like to use those ones that are not so manly but manly, because they last longer. I know there are a lot of other female fragrances that last long too. Like I have a couple that last long. I have some perfume oils that I use. I actually use, like, love Tuscan leather. I know it's a male perfume, but I love the fragrance. I love how woody. I don't know if it's woody I'll use. It has a woody scent. I really love that one. And I also love La Viette Belle. That one is a feminine perfume, and it lasts so long. Like, it's a perfume oil, so both of them, they're just my favorite right now. But yeah, I always like to discover new ones. But once this two that I'm using right now is finished, then I will try other fragrances. But I'll still, get them, because I really love both those two fragrances. Anyway, let's pack this back. Nature Mistress. Shakara Mistress came to visit with all her clothes there. But my mommy's will have like clothes plenty. See this fine dress. See this fine dress. And she wanted me to reduce this thing, saying that it's too. But this is the beauty of the style, mommy. Let me just cut the length. Even the length is not too long, but she used to complain about length.
It's too long. I don't want to be sweeping the floor.
I know, but that's the style now. This kind of style, they're supposed to be carrying you on a chair or something high up. Don't know, queen. Oh, it's nice. Even the print. We still have this print, just in case you wanna. Wow, Daddy Nechezuga. Fine, mama. Shakara, anywhere she goes, she used to rub makeup, even to market.
Why I don't go wrong? Why? Just tell me.
Shakara.
Why I don't go wrong?
I don't understand.
Why
would
would
go
I
downstairs?
wrong?
Why we make they makeup? Shakara, no, they end.
Come and show me. Come and show me
Fabrics.
My baby's clothes.
Baby's clothes. Okay. Ijama's new baby. Okay.
My new baby.
So I'm here to end the vlog. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Let me know in the comment section, okay, what you liked about this vlog, okay, or anything that you just feel like letting me know in the comment section. I'm going to be there, okay, to respond to your comments. Yeah, I just want to end the vlog. Let me not even talk too much, because yeah, I'm very fond of. I've started again. I'll see you guys in another vlog. Stay fabulous as always, okay? Bye.